Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how multivitamin tablets are made. First, we'll explore the careful selection and testing of raw materials. Next, we'll see how these ingredients are precisely blended to ensure uniformity. Then, we'll cover the fascinating process of compressing the powder into solid tablets. Finally, we'll discuss the important steps of tablet coating and the comprehensive quality assurance measures taken before packaging. Let's begin. The journey begins with sourcing high-quality vitamins, minerals, and other necessary components, known as excipients. Each incoming ingredient undergoes strict testing to confirm its identity, purity, and potency. Once approved, these materials are precisely weighed according to a specific formula. They are then introduced into a large, specialized blender, which thoroughly mixes them to create a homogeneous powder, ensuring every tablet contains the correct proportions. After blending, the uniform powder is transferred to a tablet press, a sophisticated machine designed for efficiency. Here, the powder is fed into small cavities, where punches and dies apply immense pressure, often several tons. This high-pressure compression binds the powder particles together, forming a solid, consistent tablet. During this stage, parameters like tablet hardness, weight, and thickness are continuously monitored to maintain strict quality standards. Many multivitamin tablets receive a thin, protective coating. This coating makes them easier to swallow and can also shield sensitive ingredients from moisture and light, extending their shelf life. Following coating, every batch undergoes a final series of rigorous quality control tests, checking for dissolution, potency, and purity. Only after passing all these stringent checks are the finished tablets packaged into bottles or blister packs, ready for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.